So hey guys, welcome to my new video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about the usage of this petrol car key and where to find the petrol car in Arc Raiders, and I will guide you to the full path so that you can reach the petrol car safely. So what you have to do is, as you can see this head house, you have to reach this head house. This is the POI, this is how it looks like. What you have to do is follow my path I'm taking. Just head down to the stairs. Once you reach at the bottom, just go over here and find this zip line which will be going down. As you can see this yellow zip line, just jump it and catch the zip line. Once you go in, just go in and turn left here and just go straight and try not to make any noise. Just follow my path and keep going. And once you reach here, as you can see this army truck, this is the petrol car. The door is at the behind, so yes, just use your key and enter it, and there you will find this loot box. Watch out for these enemies, and this is what you get from the loot box. So yes, this is how you can use the petrol car key in Arc Raiders. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.